That don't sound too good. Oh yeah. Wait, I'll move my window up. Fucking airbags didn't go off. Got these nearly brand new Mayhem wheels. The 35s. Alright, Dylan, you ready to pick up the tires? Yes, sir. Oh, the door's locked. Here at the tire shop.
Dude, it looks so badass.
Was it?
Yes.
So, I gave Hunter my 35-inch tires that were on my Mayhem rims.
They just didn't fit on my truck. These 35s right here, they didn't fit.
Okay.
And he gave me his tires that were on his old set.
Okay.
I gave him these 35s right here.
We got my 17-inch Mayhems on these new 31-inch rims, I'm pretty sure.
And they're just remounting your tire right now.
Bases on it.
These are pretty damn close. These might rub maybe a jet.
You think so? I
On
don't
the
think they
back.
will.
On the back.
Well, the suspension's not dropped yet, is it?
No, I haven't.
This
lifted it or nothing.
This isn't sitting yet, is it? Or is this sitting?
Yeah.
Regular? Oh, damn.
And my truck currently wasn't drivable.
Exactly.
It's more important to me that you actually have
Put video of it right here.
Yeah.
Fucking cold, dude. Hey, dude, I'll come here more.
This looks nice.
Yeah, for real, dude. When you start doing shit, this is like the place to go.
The wild kind one? Yeah. We'll just
There you go, Hunt. Those are gonna look sick on your truck, dude.
Yeah, dude, for real.
Yeah. I actually really like these rims.
Dude, I'm kind of jealous, honestly.
All right, should we pick it back up when we get back? We'll pick it back up here in a little bit. What? It's Dylan's truck.
It'll lift them up. It'll lift it up. It's the steering. It's down here. You'll have to cut. They'll rub a little bit.
Hey,
I'll
no.
have to cut maybe
Hold
right
on.
there.
You gotta consider. This tire's flat.
I know. I get that. No, I'm talking.
Compare it to the back one. Right now. Or the other right one. Okay. I think it's possible.
It don't fit. But if you look, if it's pretty centered right now. If you think about it, this is gonna fit a little further in. You're gonna have to cut the bottom of your bumper here.
Well, no, this is gonna raise up. It might just work. I have confidence.
And if not, I literally have a little sawzall blade. Yeah, you can just cut all that shit. I'll be here for one, but I'm gonna have to
Dylan, if we need the sawzall cut, we can do it tonight.
Yeah.
Yeah, what a big man. Big man you are, boy.
I don't trust this at all.
I think you're a pussy. What's up, buddy? All right. I encountered the first problem. Just a little bit.
All right, it should be good.
These threads are really cooked, dude. I know we didn't do nothing though. This fucker, dude, are you kidding me? Lower the jack?
Yeah, I kind of forgot you didn't put the tire on yet.
Well, I mean, while we're here, we might as well fix the. It's not even going up, is it? It's not tightened all the way.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, and I know you're able to get it on there. It's just kind of a bitch because they're kind of heavy. Motherfucker's doing the work for me now. All four of them. We're chilling. Oh yeah. Wait, I broke my window up. Oh god. Oh, we got it. Yep. Stick on it. I don't slow down too much.
Oh no, I'm good.
You in 4?
Yeah.
Alright, now we're fine.
Oh, look at Kevin in the back here just sliding, bro. I told him back here was kind of fucking. Oh, shit.
Let's fucking go. Alright, we're fine. Oh, we're going all the way. Oh.
Yeah, we'll go all the way around.
I mean, I've taken the Blazer back here once.
I'm fit.
And it was probably about this bad, and my Blazer got stuck.
Oh, actually.
coming.
Am I in 4?
No.
My front's not moving. I'm not in 4. There it goes.
Alright, we had a technical difficulty. It wasn't in 4. Oh, you can feel that difference now.
Oh,
my
yeah.
God.
100%. I don't know how I got so far in 2-wheel drive.
No, I'm saying, what the fuck?
No wonder I had to keep momentum. Fuck.
And over here, there's a whole fucking field that's like a swamp. I don't know if that's supposed to be driven in, but I took my quad in there last fall.
This is where I was doing donuts that
Oh,
morning.
that sounds fucking scary. Let's do it. The widest donut I've ever seen.
I think it was still a 4-wheel drive. I don't think it is.
Yeah, I had to be 4-wheel. Let's whip it! There's a field up here. Oh, and a little squirrely.
A little bit. Last time I was up here, it was in the fucking nighttime, so I couldn't really see what the hell was going on.
Did you guys go all the way back here?
No, it was super late and I had to get home, so I was like, fuck it.
Yeah. Oh! Oh!
You didn't want to slide.
Yeah, I know. Oh, I suck at filming.
It's kind of hard to film in this.
Yeah, I know.
Wait, this brick goes back to where I think it does, doesn't it?
Like that field, like kind of
No, on that
swampy.
spot when I was first asking you. Like, oh, is that a good spot? I think this goes to that spot and we might get stuck here, hopefully not. Well,
Are you in 4?
keep a bit of momentum here.
Now you're in 2, aren't you?
I'm in 4 then.
Oh!
Oh, shit.
Because your airbags didn't go off.
I am too.
Oh my god. Wait, we're back here? We're picking up Postway. We're gonna go some more mud, motherfucker. This time I'm not sick. Let's get it.
Oh, shit! No!
Huh?
You going straight forward or what? Yeah, I got thrown in 4 though.
Hey! Postway! No, hold on, stop! It's been a minute.
No, I was just joking about all that. No, but that is on my that does have on my show.
Well, I know, because you don't remember most of it.
Only that if I go back on it.
All of us are taking a piss, literally.
I feel like my clothes are gonna be really muddy after this.
How are we gonna get in there?
Down there, we're just going to use it forever. See if we can send this trailer. It's fucking fully open all the way down. You can see all the way to the fucking. Huh?
I'd take like a quad through first.
Yeah.
I would fucking send it with my truck because I don't.
I mean, his truck would knock all this shit down, no problem.
Yeah.
I might not say it enough, but I do like Hunter's truck. I do like Hunter's truck.
Nice. Dude, I like my spot.
I like your truck too. It serves its purpose. Chevrolet, Blazer. Fuckers, let's go. Let's go. Hold on. Copyright. I forgot. Oh, this is the spot where you guys have been, huh?
Yes, sir. Clear out my fucking tires. I'm a little slicky right now.
A little slick. Dylan still drives like a fucking puss. You better put that in the video too, because you drive slow as fuck.
Oh yeah, this truck does not skew.
Come on! That motherfucker. Hold on, let me out. You guys gotta drift at the same time, just don't fucking run into each other.
No, we're not drifting.
You guys suck? Not bad? Sound too good. So let me try. Hey! Hunter, or Dylan. Oh, yep. He's whipping the Blazer.
Give her a little more gas. What the fuck? Oh, we got it.
Hell yeah. I think my Blazers light day is coming.
No, you're rubbing something.
In the front.
No, it's in the rear.
Oh! Alright, we're good. Hell yeah.
What the fuck is Blaine's wrong?
It smells like fireworks, man.
Hey, I was being nice. I kept it under.
Yeah, I know.
I kept doing like small little side ones because I know your front wheel's bad, so I don't want to take wide ass fucking drift. But she handled pretty fucking nice.
It's time for you to spin Dylan's rig and Dylan spins yours. He hasn't had the chance. He's easy on his truck. I'm a little different. Both at the same time. You guys can feel out the rigs first, and then maybe you guys can
Maybe we can do a little
double whammy. The
Oh no,
Blazer.
sliding rigs is all the same. My truck's got like super sloppy steering.
So does the Blazer.
Oh really? Yeah. The Blazer's fucking looser than a $2 hook.
Dude, it's a Chevy. No, she's in too. So you're chilling. Treat it how he's treating yours. When she's running through brush, they'll do the fucking same.
Pause.
Yeah. This thing's super easy to drift. Let's go outer angle. Fuck, you gotta swing that wheel, motherfucker. Swing it. No, you're locking it.
It's literally not fucking.
You're locking it. More power.
Get out! I'm trying to learn.
The more gas is, the more your ass end's gonna kick.
I fucking know how to drift, dude.
Well, doesn't look like it. Punch it. Are you in 4-wheel drive?
That makes sense.
Oh.
You told me I was in 2.
It looked
You're
like
in 4.
I thought it was. Dude, I thought this motherfucker was retarded for a second. My bad, Dylan. I kind of feel like a dick now, but.
I knew something was up, dude. And then I was like, bro.
There you go. There's your ass end. There you go.
Yes. It is, dude. This shit's fun.
Bet.
Alright, we quickly stole this truck.
You gotta get a little speed. Yeah, I'm trying not to get stuck.
Go in reverse.
There we go. Oh,
I'm trying to figure it out. I forgot his red line's super easy.
yeah.
He got really mad at me last time, dude.
I won't say mad, he was disappointed. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
We're doing the low.
Blaine, hold on. It's fucking spicy.
Oh!
I think it's your fucking these. No,
You don't think it's the wires?
no, it's my fucking. You're overheating me.
Oh, my bad.
My gauge. It's so fucking $10.06.
Let me open that.
No.
Let's see how hot it is. Don't touch that shit. I'm sorry. Oh my god. Yo, it's spewing. Hunter's fucking gone.
Yeah, no. Kind of my fault. I wanted to do what to left. Close. Hold on to your ankles. Maybe.
Alright, it's not for it. Our story is Hunter overheated. We have to get him.
So, hey, there's nothing wrong with it. You want to know what happened?
What?
We were sitting there spinning in a circle. There was no airflow getting to any of it.
That is true.
So as soon as I'm going, I'm sitting under 210 right now, and I was fucking riding on her.